Now we will begin with the new video. Practice set 4.3 second problem. Practice set 4.3 second problem. Construct triangle XYZ in which angle Y is 58 degree, angle X is 36 degrees and perimeter of triangle is 10.5 centimeter. Perimeter of triangle is given. So it is the construction, third construction, construction 3. So let's draw one rough figure. Now which angles are given? It is triangle XYZ. But if we take here Y, it's okay. But angle Y and X are given. So we will take angle Y or X here, angle vertex Y here and Z here. So angle X, this is vertex X, this is angle X which is given as 46 degrees. This is the point Y or the vertex Y, and this angle Y is given as 58 degrees, and sum of perimeter of triangle, sum of all the sides is given as 10.5 centimeter. So what we will do, we will extend segment XY on both sides such that we have a point P. PX is equal to XZ and point Q will take on this side such that ZY is equal to YQ. ZY is equal to YQ. We will take these 2 points and we will join this P and Z, and we will join Z and Q. We will join Z and Q such that now what we know, the sum of all the three sides is 10.5 centimeter. So PQ will be what will be PQ? It will be 10.5 centimeter. This angle P will be half of 46, it will be 23, and this angle Q will be half of 58, it will be half of 58 is 29. So this will be 29 degrees. So let's draw PQ segment. Let's draw PQ segment. .5 centimeter. So this is P, this is Q, this is 10.5 centimeter. Now what we will do is, we will draw angle P is equal to 23 degrees. Angle P is equal to 23 degrees we will draw. And angle Q, which is 29 degrees, angle P is 23 degrees, angle Q is 29 degrees. Angle Q is 29 degrees, and both these lines, angle lines, will intersect at this point. We will name the point as Z. This is the point Z. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of angle 23. Okay, we will draw a perpendicular bisector of PZ. We'll draw the perpendicular bisector of PZ. this is the perpendicular bisector of PZ. Okay, it will intersect PQ at this point. This point is nothing but, this point is nothing but point X here. Now we need to find point Y. This is somewhere here, but for this we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of XZQ. We will draw the perpendicular bisector of ZQ. This is this point, 2 points. Join these 2 points by straight line. Join these 2 points with a straight line. This straight line is the perpendicular bisector of ZQ. ZQ. This line is perpendicular bisector of ZQ. It will intersect PQ at point Y. It will intersect PQ at point Y. So we have X and Y. We will join. Don't forget to join. Okay. Join XZ and join YZ. Join YZ. We will get triangle X, Y and Z. We will get angle triangle XYZ. Here XP or XP, yes, XP is equal to XZ and ZY is equal to YQ. You can measure this angle using a protractor. It should come 46. Yes, it is 46. This is 46 and this is, you can measure it using a protractor. Should come 58. This is roughly 60, so it is okay. 58. So this completes the construction of XZY. Completes the construction of XZY.